What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and you join me in my Mercedes Benz. For all you people that haven't seen my previous videos where I took delivery of this car, and also I started like a series, modify my Mercedes, because I wanted to change a few bits on this car, and here is the next episode. So this is my first video in 2020 that I'm actually recording from myself. I've done a few reviews starting in January, but this is my first video where I'm filming on myself in my car. So in this video today, I will be actually modifying a few other bits on my Mercedes. I have left some sneak peeks on my social media, so if you're a bit late on that, make sure you follow me on my social media. I've always put sneak peeks on that, so you can get to grips on what upcoming videos they are on Allsortzz. So today I'm just taking my car out for a drive, gonna go and wash it first, and then I'll talk to you a bit more about what I will be doing on the Mercedes Benz in this episode of Modify My Mercedes. So as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. And I would love your feedback on any of the episodes from Modify My Mercedes, or if you've got any ideas on what I should do to the car, then let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, let's cue the intro. What's happening, people, and let's get straight into it. This is the Mercedes part 2 and Modify My Mercedes. So in this video I'll tell you what I'll be doing. First off is the grille. In part 1 I actually said I will be putting a new grille on, so this part 2 a grille. Not only that, I'm also going to be wrapping the roof and also the mirrors, so hopefully it should look a little different once it's all complete. Now I'm getting this done from someone locally, and hopefully it's my first time trying him out, so if he's good then I'll be using him in the future. So this part I'll actually show you the grill that I'm going to be using. So let's pop the boot, and this is going to be like a little unboxing on the grill that I'll be using on the front. Right, so here is the grill. Now the grill I have opted for to change the look on my Mercedes is a C63, like a GTR grill, but I've actually put chrome fronts on. You can have it either all black or chrome. So I took it out of the box. I've not actually seen it myself, so it's going to be a first, but I've left it in the packaging so I can unbox it on my Allsortzz channel. I hope you can actually see this because I'm recording it from my GoPro while hanging over the window, so I can actually look at it in the boot. So check this out, people. This is my first look, and this is the grill. So it's like a GTR grill, you know what you can get. It's like a GTR grill, which also comes on the C63 as well. Now you can actually get these blacked out, or you can actually have these a silver chrome as well. So I opted for the silver chrome because it matches the front of my car. It's got a few chrome around the Mercedes, so I thought why not just leave the silver chrome instead of getting it all blacked out. I got this from eBay as well, and it cost me around £140. There's two versions you can get, so make sure this is the W205 non-360 camera version, because you can actually get two types, one with the 360 camera version and one without. So the 360 camera version, it's got like a little hole here for the camera, so make sure if you actually order one of these you find out what kind of model you've got, and if you've got cameras all around 360 degrees cameras, then you need the cutout at the top. So this one hasn't got the 360 cameras, so it hasn't got the cutout, and this is the GTR grille. And there it is, people. Here is my Mercedes-Benz modified part 2. In this video we actually did the roof, we wrapped it in gloss black, and also the mirrors as well. That was also done in gloss black. And the main feature of this car is the grille. This grille actually matches this car in my opinion. Like I said earlier, I was going to do it all blacked out, but I thought because there's a few chrome bits on the car already, I thought why not just leave it chromed with a bit of black, gloss black as well, so it matches the roof and the car. Now the video and pictures don't do it justice. I've left a lot of pictures on my social media, so make sure you follow me, and also my YouTube community as well. But seeing this in real life, it actually looks much better than the videos and pictures. But there's a few other minute differences that I want to do with this car, so your feedback would be appreciated in the comment section below. In my opinion, what I need to do is gloss black the sills at the bottom as well, and also the lip spoiler, which we did in Modified Mercedes part 1. So if you think I need to do that, let me know in the comment section below. And also in my next part of Modify My Mercedes, I might be doing the wheels as well. So what do you think I should do with the wheels? Should I powder coat them into a different color, or just change the wheels to, completely? Let me know in the comment section below. But here it is, guys. Here is, I will let you actually take a look at it. Here is my Mercedes with a little bit of differences, as you can tell. Let me know what you think of the car. In my personal opinion, I actually like it as it is. The grille looks, it stands out from the different models, you know, with the diamond grills and the normal standard AMG line grills. This one actually stands out more, so I'm thinking of getting some different wheels to make it stand out even more. So I just want to actually make a few light differences to the car to make it stand out. But yeah, what do you think? And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was Modify My Mercedes part 2 by doing the grille and also the wrapping the roof and also the mirrors. I hope you enjoyed this part 2. Like I said, if you want to have any questions, or if you have any ideas of what I should do with the car next, let me know in the comment section below. As always, people, make sure you subscribe, as when I upload some next videos, you will actually be notified if you hit that bell button. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in part 3 of Modify My Mercedes. Let's get started. Let's remove the C200, debadge the Mercedes C200, and then we'll add the lip spoiler in this episode 1 of Modifying My Mercedes.